Let's understand what is Google Colab. Welcome to this section on Google Colab. So, what exactly is Google Colab? Google Colab, short for Google Collaboratory, is a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook. What does that mean? Essentially, it is a powerful platform that allows you to write and execute Python code directly in your browser. And the best part, it requires no setup on your end. We will explore the many advantages of Colab in the coming slides. The key advantages of Google Colab are: first, cloud-based. Colab can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Second, no setup required. Users can start coding immediately after logging in with a Google account. Third, free access to GPU and TPUs. Colab provides access to powerful hardware accelerators for computationally intensive tasks. Fourth, pre-installed popular libraries. Common Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, etc. are already installed, reducing the setup time. Fifth, easy sharing and collaboration. Colab facilitates teamwork and code sharing by sharing the file, managing the comments, etc. Sixth, integration with Google Drive. Google Colab seamless store file and manage them provided through the Google integration. How to access Google Colab? Let's understand step-by-step guide on how to get started using Google Colab. The steps to access Google Colab are: first, open colab.research.google.com website. This is the web address for accessing Google Colab. Second, sign in with your Google account or Gmail account. You need a Google account to use Colab. Third, click on the new notebook option. This creates a new blank Google Colab notebook for you to use. The fourth, now after creating the new notebook, you can write your Python code in the newly created Colab notebook. So this is how you can do. So the new notebook tab will help you to create a new notebook, and for this you have to go to the colab.research.google.com